Welcome one, welcome all, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Letty here, and we are going to do some eyes today. Now I got some new products, so I'm excited to use them, and as you can see I already got my base on, so we're just gonna hop into the eyes, honey. So I'm gonna pull you all closer to me so you can see. I'm going to do my brows, I'm going to do the eyeshadow. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I did get some new products and I am excited about them and using them. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. I look a little crazy, so I'm just gonna hop right into my brows because I'm looking a mess. So we're gonna start off with the brows. As you can see, they're very thin, so I use my Morphe pencil. So this is the brow definer brow pencil in the shade Java, and I use the Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim in the shade Deep Brown 260. And then what I have been loving is the Juvia's Place I Sculpt I Shade Brow Pen in the shade Dark Brown. And we're just going to get these eyes done, honey. So let's get into it. I like to go up under the brow. First, I like to set my eyebrows with some powder so it's not oily. And then we're just gonna go and line the brow and then do some hair-like strokes to make it seem like we have more brows than we actually do, like so. And then we're just gonna brush it up. So I like to go above the brow with the Maybelline brow pencil, and I just start from the middle of my brow to the tail, and I create the arch right there. See how it's very light right now, and then I just create the shape going forward. I don't press hard down. I only press hard down on the tail end of my brow because, girl, that is what we do, like such. So they're coming together, but they will really come together once we do the brow pen by Juvia's Place. So now that that is complete, we're going to take the brow pen by Juvia's Place in the shade Deep Brown, and we're just gonna start on the end because this brow pen does kind of come out dark at first, and then all the pigment comes out a little early. So to control that, we just create that brow strokes like that. And then I like to go in the different directions that the brow strokes will go and just create those brow strokes, especially on the tail end. So you see how it's coming together, and then I'll take the spoolie and make sure it's blended out like that. So you see how the brow just took shape after that, and then we're just gonna continue to create those strokes. Like so. Now it looks like I have my eyebrows tatted on, but that is not the case. We just keep going into the desired look. I think we are looking good. Yes, honey, yes. And then I like to go in with the original Morphe pencil and reline the under of that and make it more blendable. So just blend all of that in. So you see? Yes, compared to no brow pen, no brow pen, brow pen. Now we're going to clean up those brows. So now they kind of look like twins. I won't say twins, but they do look like sisters. Let me bring it out a little bit more this way. I know I look crazy right now because you have this hella dark, but we're gonna take the NARS Soft Matte Concealer in the shade Amande and take a flat definer brush. I'm going to use the Luxie 221 brush and just outline my brows. And just gonna bring that down because we kind of want, once I put on the eyeshadow primer, we kind of want it to blend with that. So you see how that cleaned that up? Beautiful. And to prime my eyes, I'm gonna go in with the Juvia's Place Eye Prep Eye Prime in the shade 2. I'm gonna shake it a little bit. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. And today we're gonna, it seems like I'm gonna use a lot of Juvia's Place. Going to take a Morphe M224 brush to pat that on, and then a BH Cosmetics brush to blend it out. Because I kind of put things on messy. BH Cosmetics brush and just blend, blend, blend. Now listen, I know I look crazy right now, but I finally got my hands on the Juvia's Place Culture Palette. So we're gonna play around with this one today. I have no idea what I'm doing with these, but look at this color story. Like, do y'all not see? I think I want to kind of do a neutral with a blue under, because I feel like these blues are calling my name type of thing, and why not give her a go. So I'm gonna go in with the color Talking Drums, this round shade right here, and that's going to be my base. So I'm gonna go in with a Milk Cosmetics brush, my favorite brush. I forgot, it's kind of like a flat blending brush, but we're gonna go in with that, make sure there's no creases. I'm excited. I've never used this palette before. It's a brand new palette. I literally just bought this the other day, but oh my gosh, this is pretty. Go up some. That is pretty. Yes, I'm loving this. Not liking, loving. It blends out so smoothly. So yo, I'm tripping not having anything under my eyes to catch fallout. So we're gonna use my One Size powder and to set all of the places that I have concealer, even though we set it with the Maybelline powder already previously. I just want to make sure if there is fallout, baby, we not doing it, okay? It can be good as caught, okay? So, won't catch me in these streets. Next, gonna go in with Afro Beats, which is this lighter blue right here. And you know what? For the remainder of this eye tutorial, what I'm gonna do is just have a picture from the internet, because this palette is too big to hold up. But we're gonna go a little bit lower than that Talking Drums portion or color and just blend her out like so. And I always love to do my eyeshadow like this, like, look at it. And if you feel like you got too much of that color, take a clean blending brush and go over the edges, and it blends it perfectly. And then when nothing else left, just go back in. No extra product. I like to always tap off the excess. That way I can limit my fallout. That is looking cute. I know we are looking crazy right now, but I'm gonna go into that Shakir beautiful aqua color and just place that on the outer edge, like so. Like I said, trust the process. Blending is key, okay? So let's blend together. Take your brush with that other blue on it and just blend out the edges. Like so. It's looking a little crazy right now, but trust the process, trust the process. And because I need a way deeper blue than the Culture palette has, I'm gonna go in with this Milk Cosmetics Muerte palette and go in with that shade Noche Eterna, which is this nice blue shade right here, and go on the crease of everything. I'm probably still gonna take my Morphe M454 brush and just, now you really have to tap out the excess with that because these are pigments, like like, yeah, you see how just that little bit, you have to like really get in there. See, I kind of, yeah. We look like somebody rich auntie. Yeah, so let's go ahead and get this thing cracking. We look a mess, child. Yeah, let's go in with the shade Yoruba and spray our brush. I'm going to use some Morphe, a little pick-me-up, and spray my brush. And then basically do a kind of a cut crease, but not really. So, because we didn't clean up, we didn't put any concealer down type of thing. So, but oh, I'm loving this. In the pan, it kind of looks more blue-brown, but on my skin tone, it's coming off, it's like an icy blue. It's so pretty. And then we're gonna go in with Bono, which is that metallically blue shade, and Meet, the outside. Wow. And then because I want things to marry together, we're just gonna bam. But that looks so pretty. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna take nothing else on that brush and just make sure everything is blended on the end. Yeah, I know I look crazy, but I love this. I love the way everything is like blending together. I kind of want a little bit of a darker end, so I'm gonna find one maybe in the Muerte palette because I kind of feel like it needs to be darker. And if you hear anything in the background, it is Halloween that I'm filming this. Ooh. We have a black in the Milk Cosmetics Muerte palette called Pantheon. I'm gonna dip a little bit in that and like darken up this corner right here because I feel like it needs a little bit of darkness. See that? Not too much though. See how that kind of like brought out? And I'm gonna bring it up a little bit. Yeah, she cute or whatever. Now I want to use my new Juvia's Place Sephora 12-hour colorful crayon contour eye pencil in the shade My Boyfriend's Jeans and underline my under eye. It's gonna be a blue day. I feel like it's a blue day. I'm going to take that same Bono color and go under and kind of set that. Actually, I'm gonna set it with my smudge brush because this brush ain't doing it. Yes, I'm so excited. Then I'm going to take a little bit of that Shakir brother color and just go up under that and blend out even more. I'm going to take my Morphe 210 brush with that Afro Beats and go under all of it. Gotta marry these looks together, bro. Unfortunately, this color that I am going to line my lash line with is no longer available on Melt Cosmetics, so I won't even show it, but it is a pretty blue liner. Hopefully they bring it back, but I'm going to use it to line my lash line. Using my Morphe 250-1 brush, going to line my lash line. So I like to start from the corner of the eye and then work my way out. And it's kind of the same color as my lower lash line color. Yeah, told you all to trust the process. It's a blue dream. And then for my inner corner, I'm going to take the Juvia's Place liquid eyeshadow in the shade Ula. It's this pretty. It looks white, but it's really not. I'm gonna take it on a dome applicator, disposable one. I always have those round for doing clients, so I like to use it on myself as well. Oh. Going to take a brush and like fix it. Ice Queen around these parts, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to finish off the rest of my face, come back, and we're going to put on lashes and mascara, or mascara and lashes, and we're going to show you the completed look. Today we are going to use the Juvia's Place Nubian Lash in Cleopatra. Those are the lashes with my House of Lashes lash glue. So let's get to it. While the lashes are getting tacky, we're gonna go in with that Mo Honey color and do a brow highlight with it. Don't like the packaging of these because you can't really see the other lash. As y'all can see, one lash looks better than the other. I don't like that. I look weird. This is my Milk Makeup Kush mascara and doing my lower lash line. This is the final look. Let me know what you all think in the comments below. I absolutely love this blue look. It was so much fun playing around with colors, and just look how beautiful this turned out. I can't believe my eyes. But again, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below, and let me know if you have the Culture palette by Juvia's Place. And with that being said, it's your girl Letty, and I'm out. Peace.